Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to practice a portion of your form uh, or the whole form, if you like, in mirror image. If you're a teacher, you might already know how to do this. This might be something familiar to you, so that's fine, but you could try doing um, your two-person set in mirror image or your weapon form in mirror image. Maybe you don't teach that as much in front of a group and where you'd employ the mirror image methodology of teaching. Um, so, for example, rather than practicing this, I just turned myself so that I'm still addressing the camera a bit, practicing this side. Um, If you feel like you can do that or that's not enough of a challenge, try doing the form Z to A instead of A through Z. So starting the form right with the last move and then working backwards from there rather than going through the way you ordinarily do it. And if working backwards is going to prove to be too easy for you, you can try doing mirror image and backwards. Some section may be repeated or the whole of the form. And it's a wonderful practice for your brain. It isn't because it's meant to be done that way, but it's a really nice sort of mental stimulation challenge. And maybe you'll discover something more about how to teach or how it seems to somebody that's learning from somebody else, or what you can learn about yourself. Maybe even just what things frustrate you and how you can respond to them better. So thank you very much. That's today's Tàijíquán Tip, and practice a little bit more than you are. Thank you.
This QR code takes you to our link tree, which has all of our links, among them financial support links, which is certainly going to be very helpful. We appreciate your commenting, subscribing, linking, and going to Patreon.